Hey, good afternoon. Hey, this is Bryce with NWA Mobility, and I have got Sherry right now driving around in a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan ADA, and this is a Lone Star conversion. Now, you're not going to hear the wind outside because I've had to go and cut it out because it's just too windy of a day that was going on, so making too much wind in our phone. So, anyway, I'm doing a talk over on this video. But here she comes back around right now. We're going to do a walk around on this video so that you can see it and take a look at this really clean 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. Anyway, so here we are. She'll let her back up just a little bit. Stop it right there and we'll add some more to it, okay? Okay, I've adjusted my mic on my phone. We're going to see how this works because we're going to let it go with the phone the rest of the way because I like to get the outside noise going also. It just seems to add more to the video.
I got the Wonder Woman with me today. It's her first time of showing off a van. Good job, Sherry. Now, I'm only going to use it for a minute here just to pull out the ramp, show you that it's not that hard even for a woman to do it. Good job. Okay, thank you, Sherry. Now, this is a manual ramp. It's not an automatic. So if you're wanting an automatic, that's not what this is. This is for a person. You just have to have a handicapped van to have somebody in the family or somebody that you know be able to go into the handicapped van and be able to get around where they need to go and stuff like that. Now we're going to take a look at the inside of this van and show you this could take other people. Again, manual ramp, not automatic. Inside the van, you've got this back seat back here. Could hold two to three people, probably two comfortably, not three too comfortably. As you can see, here's the seating. This is really plush, nice seats. There's a humidifier up there. You can see that up there. These seats will seat maybe three people, two comfortably. Comes with all your tie downs for the wheelchair. I'll go up here and show you the front. Take a look at here. This is a real clean van. I got this out of Oklahoma. I got it from a company that I buy them from. Because they do a very good job of maintaining the van. Plus they keep a complete records of the van. So I've got everything on this van, all the records, everything. Mileage on the van, if I can get to it. There you see it right there, 142,097. Now, you may think that's maybe a little too much mileage, but on these Dodge Caravans, these things can go up to 300,000 miles. One of the ones that's sitting out there right now that I've got has 300,000 miles on it. We're going to be replacing the engine and the transmission. Okay, so I'm going to walk around to the other door as we do a walk around of this van. Okay, let's do our walk around right now. Okay, I had to cut that out. This person trying to call came to my phone. You can go inside. You're done, really. I don't need you. I'll get the rest of it. All right, so here we go. I'm going to do a walk around to the van so y'all can see everything about it. You saw the ramp come out. Let's take a walk around this van. Back end. Clean as a whistle. Flex fuel van. Made by Lone Star, the conversion. Driver's side. Want you to look at the ground effects. The ground effects over here, I don't know if it's on this side or the other side. One of them did get hit. We sent it to the shop, we refiberglassed it, put it all back together, made it look new again. Go to the front hood. Let you see the front of it. Again, 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. There's your front. Also, just in case you might not be looking for a handicapped van, if you're looking for a bus, I do happen to have one. It's a 14 passenger or it's an 18 passenger, depending on how you want to use it. It's got fold out seats. I'll have that up there a little later on the video. This is the only place that you're going to find that the ground effects have got damaged. We did not repair that, so this was the side of the repair. Right there you can see that it got chipped a little bit. That's going to be, it could be fixed if we wanted to fix it, but we didn't choose to fix that because it's not that big of a deal. Anyway, I'm going to go around and open up from the other side. Hopefully you pretty much see everything that I wanted you to see on it. I hope that this helps you out. Real clean van, well taken care of. There's your inside again with a see-through on it. Headliner's in good shape. No problem with the headliner. As I said, there's still cameras inside here. We can either leave them in, if you want them in, if you want them, or we can take them out. This may go to somebody that needs one that's doing an NEMT business. So if you're doing an NEMT business, a great van for you to use for NEMT, because that's what it was used for. Comes from a company, like I said, over in Oklahoma. Naturally, they get these things through government subsidies, and that's how I pick them up after they've reached the mileage that they want. Once they get to that, then we end up buying them and putting them to the shop to make sure everything's okay. So there's only a few companies I even try to mess with buying these vans from, because a lot of them are just completely, really just run to the last core that they can possibly do on it and just completely tear them up. Hope you enjoyed the video. 2016, like I said, 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan, Handicapped, up for sale here at NWA Mobility. Give us a call, 479-521-1974. Or you can call our main line, which is 479-443-5466. I'll put that in the description. Hope you like it, and check back soon with us. We'll have maybe some more.